All right, so back here on Hazel, we were chasing a sticking rear brake system. And we kind of chased everything down to the old soft line that goes from the chassis to the T on the housing. It was swelling and expanding and contracting on its own accord, thus leaving us with pressure in the rear brakes. So we ordered one today, quick and easy, and Xander just got it swapped out. So now we're gonna bleed the rears, and we're pretty much done, huh?
Yeah.
I'll go drive it, get this back to Tom, and then I can
Little-
go get...
Little bit of issue getting it apart. The old one wouldn't want to come off of the T, and then that clip there wouldn't come out either.
Yeah.
So it took me a little bit of time. But
Xander had to do a little magic, but it's on, it's in, and we will bleed this, and I'll test drive, and fingers crossed everything wants to behave this time. All right. So backing out, and we already don't have any brake drag, which is good. So I'm going to go around the block. For good, we'll take Miss Hazel back to Tom's. So we're rolling down the street. Stopping. Nice. Does not feel draggy. They're actually releasing. They're releasing. Miss Hazel, you're actually behaving. Little bias ply squeal whenever you brake semi-hard. Drag. Beautiful. All right. Miss Hazel is a happy, happy girl. Huzzah.